All right, today I'm going to show you how to make your own PDF document out of multiple different PDFs. This is the easiest way, I think, to make the packets that we'll be creating for RMSE, and you can use it for anything else that you want. All right, so what I have done so far is I have downloaded and opened the PDF documents that I want to use pages from. So I have Workbook B open because I'm going to be making a packet for RMSEK lessons 71 through 75. So I've gone ahead and found where worksheet 71 starts. Then I have the sentence writing practice pages. So same thing here. I'm going to scroll through until I find lesson 71. And then I have the Blackline Masters as well. So for this, same thing. Uh-oh, I might need the next document. So I'm going to scroll down. Here is lesson 70, 71. Perfect. So the first thing that I want to do is make sure that you have all of these little side tabs on your Adobe. If you don't, that's a different problem and you'll just have to let me know separately. I'm going to go down to this Organize Pages tab, so it's the little green arrow. And when I click on it, you can see that it shows you all of the pages in the document. And when you hover over them, it gives you different options, like to turn it vertically or horizontally, delete the page, or you can add things. So what I'm going to do is just grab one of these random pages and drag it over to my desktop here. And then I can open it. So when I open this page by itself, I want to try to split the screen. So I have my one-page document over on the left, and then I have all of these other documents that I've opened on the right. All right, and then on this page, this is what I'm going to save as my RMSEK 71 to 75. All right, and then same thing over on this left side. I'm going to go to the Organize Pages tab so that I can see the overview. All right, coming back to my Adobe screen on the right, I'm going to start with the worksheets. So starting with lesson 71 to 75, going to Organize Pages. So sorry. And you can see the page that I was on is highlighted in blue. So I want from worksheet 71 to 75, so I can click while holding Shift each page that I want. So 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. And then I can just drag it over to my other document and it populates the pages that I wanted. So now you can start dragging other things in to organize. So I had brought in this Blackline Master at lesson 71, but I want it to be after the workbook page for that day. So if I just click and drag, I can move it to after the workbook page. So now if I were to preview the document, it'll have worksheet 71, front side, back side, and then the Blackline Master afterwards, and then worksheet 72. So now going back to Organized Pages, I'm going to bring in the other Blackline Masters just like that. So going back again to my document on the right, I'm going to go up to the Blackline Masters. Here's the one for 71. This is 72, so I'm going to drag this all the way over after worksheet 72. Same thing, 73. I'll drag over. 74, drag it over, and then 75. And there's that one at the bottom. So now I have a worksheet and a Blackline master. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the sentence copying worksheets over. So same thing, I clicked on the file with the sentence copying PDF. I go to organize pages on the right, and then the one that I was on is highlighted in blue, so I want to stay there because the numbers are really tiny, so you won't be able to see them otherwise. And then I'm just going to click and drag this one after the Blackline master. 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75. So now for every single one of the lessons from 71 to 75, I should have a worksheet page, a Blackline master, and sentence copying. So now I can close this view of organized pages and scroll through and make sure I have what I want. So 71, worksheet, Blackline, sentence copying. 72, worksheet, Blackline, 72, sentence copying 72. Same thing, we have 73, 74, and 75. Awesome. So then you can just make sure that you save your document again so you have it, and you have quickly and easily created the packet that you're going to submit in the drive for next week's lessons.